Chapter Reflection: Tragedy of the Commons. The tragedy of the commons occurs when individuals sharing a certain resource neglect the well-being of the entire group in pursuit of personal gain. As the demand becomes greater than the supply, every individual that consumes an additional unit harms others who can no longer enjoy the benefit. An example of the tragedy of the commons is evident in the depletion of water from the water aquifer in St. Petersburg and along the Gulf Coast in the 1920s. During a field trip with my daughter's 4th grade class to St. Augustine, one of the tour guides at the Fountain of Youth exhibit explained to us that the location where we stood was once a spring. The water previously sprung naturally to the surface, but due to the growth of the population and overuse of the water source, the water is now being mechanically pumped from several feet underground. This condition is not restricted to the St. Augustine and St. Petersburg areas. The case of Apalachiola-Chattahoochee-Flint River dispute among Alabama, Florida, and Georgia proves the case that the growth in the public water supply was not sustainable over the next 20 years. Water supply plan updates and permitting experience confirms that if traditional groundwater sources continue to be developed to meet growing public water demands in the area, harm to the water resources like rivers, streams, lakes, wetlands, and aquifer quality will occur. On March 19, 2008, the Southwest Florida Water Management District was given permission by the Florida House Environmental Preservation Committee to implement projects that will raise water levels, clean rivers, and build reservoirs in these areas. Tragedy of the Commons: you never miss the water till the well runs dry.